Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your CapCut PC to be able to get new features that you can try on CapCut. So if you find there is no new feature in your CapCut PC, that's probably because your CapCut PC is not up to date. And here's I'm going to show you how you can update your CapCut PC. So after you open your CapCut PC, you can go straight to the settings at the top. And here you can see this version. But if there is an update needed, there will be a notification in here, blue text saying update. So let's try to click on this. You can see now, this is my current version 3.8.0. So if you want to, you can try the beta version to enjoy the new features. So you can check also for updates. You can see this is the updates of my CapCut 4.0. There is custom voice support, multiple languages support, saving compound clips as preset, and also fix some known issues. Just click on install now and wait for the updates to finish downloading. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.